Welcome back to our channel where we explore different ways to make money online. Today we are diving into the world of affiliate marketing and how you can earn commissions by promoting products and services. So, let's get started. Before moving on to the topic, first, let's understand what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you can earn a commission for promoting someone else's product or services. As an affiliate marketer, you act as a middleman between the customer and the product or services you are promoting. There are several benefits to affiliate marketing. Firstly, low upfront costs. Affiliate marketing allows you to start a business with minimal investment. You don't need to create your product or services, which eliminates the costs associated with manufacturing, inventory, or customer service. Secondly, flexibility and freedom. One of the biggest advantages of affiliate marketing is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to work from anywhere with an internet connection and choose your working hours. It makes it an ideal option for those who are seeking a flexible lifestyle. Third, passive income potential. Affiliate marketing has the potential to generate passive income. Once you have set up your affiliate links and create valuable contents, you can earn commission even when you are not actively working. As your audience grows, your passive income can increase, allowing you to make money while you sleep or focusing on other ventures. Now, let's go through the steps to get started with affiliate marketing. The first step is to choose a niche. It's important to select a niche that you are passionate about and that has a market demand. Look for niches where you can provide valuable information and solve problems for your audience. When it comes to affiliate marketing, choosing the right niche is crucial. Let's explore some popular niches options that you can consider. The first one is fitness and healthcare. This niche includes topics like workout routines, nutrition, weight loss, supplements, and fitness equipment. It appeals to the individual looking for improvement their physical well-being. The second one is personal finance, covering topics such as budgeting, investment, saving money, credit cards, and side hustles. This niche targets people seeking financial advice and strategies to improve their financial situation. The third one is beauty and skincare, focusing on makeup tutorials, skincare routines, product reviews, and beauty tips. The niche appeals to the individual interested in enhancing their appearance and skincare. The fourth one is home improvement, providing information on DIY product, home decor, organization tips, or energy efficient solution. This niche target homeowners or individuals looking to improve their living spaces. The other niches are technology and gadgets, travel and adventure, fashion and style, parenting and children, food and cooking, personal development, etc. These are just a few examples of popular niches options in affiliate marketing. Remember to choose a niche that you are passionate about and the one resonates with your target audience. This will help you to create valuable content, establish yourself as an authority in your niche. Next, research affiliate programs within your chosen niche. There are various affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, Clickbank, and ShareASale that connects affiliates with product owners. Explore these networks and find products or services that align with your niche and target audience. The links are in the description. Once you have chosen your niche and identified suitable affiliate programs, it's the time to build your platform. This can be a website, a blog, or a YouTube channel, or even a social media presence. Your platform will serve as a hub where you can share valuable content and promote your affiliate links. Content is key in affiliate marketing. Create high-quality, valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. This can be in form of blog posts, product reviews, tutorials, or engaging videos. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations and make purchases through your affiliate link. Once you have your content in place, it's time to promote your affiliate links. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring they are relevant and helpful for your audience. You can also leverage email marketing, social media platforms, and paid advertisement to expand your reach and attract more potential buyers. Building trust with your audience is crucial in affiliate marketing. Always be transparent and honest with your affiliations and disclose that you can earn a commission from purchasing made through your links. This transparency will foster trust and credibility, leading to more conversation and long-term success. And there you have it, folks. We have covered the exciting world of affiliate marketing and how you can earn commission by promoting products and services. Let's quickly recap the main takeaways from today's video. Number one is, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you can earn a commission by promoting their products and services. It offers low upfront cost, flexibility, and the potential for passive income. Choosing the right niche is crucial, so pick one that you are passionate about and has a market demand. Research affiliate programs within your chosen niche and find suitable products or services to promote. Building a platform, creating valuable content, and promoting the affiliate links are essential steps in this process. Remember, to build trust with your audience through transparency and honesty. Affiliate marketing offers scalability as you can expand your reach and partner with multiple affiliate programs. Enjoy the freedom of working from anywhere and earning commission while you're sleeping. So, if you're ready to turn your passion into profit, dive into the world of affiliate marketing, starting by selecting your niche, researching affiliate programs, and building a platform to share valuable content with your audience. Remember, it takes time and effort and dedication, but the right approach, you can create a successful affiliate marketing business. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting video content online making money. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing.